Someone is copying me, Ron.
In which way?
I got a big influx of traffic to one of my latest videos, like a big spike like of external traffic. And I was like, what the hell? And then some people started messaging me, like saying, hey, I can be your video editor. I can make videos like this.
Or from Upwork or from...
Yeah. So then I reply, I'm like, oh, really? Where did you find this? Show me Upwork. Okay, cool. Send me screenshots of the job posts. So some of you listening or watching to this have created a job post on Upwork. You want to copy my style of videos, which you're free to do so, and you've posted my link, or you posted a link to my video as an example of what kind of editing you want. Now, a quick little message to you. If you're going to be always copying other people, you're never going to make any innovation out there. And although I copy as well others people, I always want to do some innovation from my end as well. So it's okay to copy, but don't just copy blindly. Don't just look at what works for me and just say, oh, I'm going to do that. You need to think of new creative ways to go about something. And
True.
this is not the best way to go about this, by the way. Like, no, I'm gonna be looking.
Go ahead.
I'm gonna be looking back in 1 year on this type of editing, and I'll cringe and I'll think like, oh my god, why did I not think of like another like this better way of editing videos? You know what I mean?
Yeah, I think like it's good to start out with, like, if you have some like examples from someone else that you're like, okay, I don't know how this shit works. I will just follow him first, and then slowly find my own way to see what's working better. As long as you're doing that. But if you're always copying someone like one-on-one, you're always one step behind because the person that you're copying is already like further in the process.
Exactly. And these pods drop like a week later. So, and by the time, that's a good step. That's a good thing you just said, you got to be one step ahead.
Yeah. While
I'm doing this, my mind is already somewhere else thinking about other things as well. So